part two of our
Disco flash.
part two of the fireworks. My camera died basically, so we have to do another one.
Yeah, and this one's disco lights.
Yeah.
This one's disco lights. Because I picked it, and Dad's doing it this time.
Liam, stop.
Stop, okay? You can't talk.
Stop.
Ignore him. Everyone do not listen to him.
Just don't listen to him.
Listen to Sophie. She's
There are
smart.
people up. You can't see the stars.
Mom
It's
just-
so dark.
Mom just kicked over a firework.
Okay, another one. Which one is this?
Disco.
Okay, another one of these. Nice.
That was disco light.
That was our house. William, I get to choose it. No, which one do you want?
Let's see. Which one do I want?
Doomsday. Doomsday.
Doomsday. Is it with this one? I hope it is. I hope it is. I love I think.
These ones there. There's a whole pile of them in this bag. There's a whole pile of them in this bag.
Are they sparklers?
Go and sit down.
More disco flashes. There was more than one in each bag.
Okay.
There was only one rocket they just saw. And now we're doing all the rockets.
Oh no, that was one rocket. Imagine what it will be like.
Imagine what 5 will
Are
do.
there tons of them?
No, there's like 5 in a box.
Oh.
Oh,
How many did you like before?
One.
I don't know how many we like.
Okay. Oh no.
Bang!
Wait, just that it? No.
What the? Glitch, 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 glitch.
Oh, I see. Now we see someone gets epilepsy.
What's epilepsy?
It's sometimes strobe lighting like this
Can.
can set people having epileptic seizures off.
Oh.
waste.
Maybe the
Never mind. That was a glitchy firework.
Yeah.
That hurt
5
my
of
eyes.
them going at once.
5 of them going at once. Oh no.
Imagine if they shot each other and they just went boing and then
it might just be roses.
funny and they
Wait.
just burn on fire.
Shh.
Point one of those.
Come on. Be quiet, guys.
Oh shit.
She's running in high heels. Oh god. Another one.
Lie down. Lie down so you can see the fireworks. We got another one.
I don't want to do any more of those. We've seen tons of them already. We can like save them.
No.
Do different ones.
This one's different. We can do this. This is the next one we're doing.
What one is it?
It's not white spider, of course.
It's so lovely. Ooh.
Solar flame is next.
We're doing solar flame next, okay? My light's on.
Okay.
They're so annoying.
You got upstairs and turn it off?
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna miss the show. He's gonna miss it. He's gonna miss it. So he's not gonna remember this.
Yeah, but he can just look on this video and see what the firework was. Okay.
What are we doing?
My dad's doing something.
I'm just looking up.
Yep, he's lighting it. Well, you guys can see on this on this part of the video, is it lighting?
I just got inside.
Oh no. Another one of these? Ooh.
Oh, what the fuck is this called?
Okay.
Maybe this is supposed to be. The flash
Another one of those things that sets off epileptic seizures. Another faulty firework.
No, it's just those ones that go disco lights.
Sparklers.
James.
Oh, I just going like this.
James,
L.
can you do it in front of me?
Okay.
Can you hold two? Can you let James hold two?
So I can do this. I can just do this.
Actually, no.
So let's go and put